Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find a word or phrase on web page in Google Chrome. I'll show you how to do this on mobile, and then I'll show you how to do this on PC. On your mobile, on any web page you are on your Google Chrome browser, simply tap on the three dot at the top right corner of your screen. Here you're going to see find in page. Tap on find in page and you'll be able to enter the word or phrase you want to search for in this section. Simply enter the word or phrase. You'll see the numbers of instances where it has been mentioned and the current instance you are. You can easily use this to find a word on a web page. Now on PC, on any web page you are, you can simply hit on your keyboard F3 and you'll be able to find in page. Simply enter the word or phrase in this section and you'll be able to see the numbers of instances the word or phrase was mentioned on the web page. Now you can also find this when you click on the three dot at the top right corner of your screen. Hover over find and edit and click on find in this section. This will bring you here. You can also hit the shortcode, which is Ctrl+F on your keyboard, and this will open the find in page feature. So thank you for watching this video on how to find word or phrase on web page in Google Chrome, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you do find this video helpful, do make sure to like, subscribe, and have the post notification turned on.